Hello, internet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that every website owner needs to master. How to index your website on Google. I'm Dazonn Technologies, and I'll be your guide on this journey to boosting your online presence. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Understanding Google's indexing algorithms. Before we jump into the practical steps, let's understand how Google indexes websites. Google uses complex algorithms to crawl and index web pages. These algorithms determine the relevance and quality of your content. The better you understand them, the more effectively you can optimize your site for indexing. Segment 2. SEO Essentials for Google Indexing. Now that we know the basics, it's time to delve into the heart of website indexing, search engine optimization or SEO. We'll explore essential SEO techniques, from keyword optimization to creating high-quality content. These strategies will not only improve your website's visibility but also enhance its overall performance. Segment 3. Google Search Console Setup. A powerful tool in your arsenal is Google Search Console. We'll guide you through the process of setting up and using this tool effectively. From submitting site maps to monitoring your website's performance, Google Search Console is your gateway to better indexing. Segment 4. Backlink Strategies for Improved Indexing. Backlinks play a crucial role in convincing Google of your website's credibility. We'll share advanced strategies on building quality backlinks that not only drive traffic but also boost your website's authority. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of successful backlinking. Segment 5. Mobile Optimization and Website Speed. In the age of mobile-first indexing, optimizing your website for mobile devices is non-negotiable. We'll guide you through the steps to ensure your website is not only mobile-friendly but also optimized for speed. These factors significantly impact how Google indexes your site. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to index your website on Google. We've covered everything from understanding Google's algorithms to practical SEO strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for watching, and happy indexing.